Hey guys, wanna know how to add elements in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, make sure you have Filmora opened. Now, you can add various elements in Filmora. The first thing you can do is hit towards stock media right here. Click on it and here you can see various background medias you can add. You can also search for it, go to solid colors, motion background and so much more. And another, if you want foreground elements or any other elements, you can just simply hit towards stickers right here. Simply click on it and there you have it. There are various elements to add from. You can add emojis, question marks and so much more, or you can just search for it as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.